What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. It's cold today, and we're gonna start up Cardi B real quick, get her all warmed up, and it's probably gonna be one of the coldest cold starts we've had on the channel. It's about 10 degrees outside, so let's get it. Got them headlights, got the forces, they dirty, got the 4-link, got the tail lights. It's coming together. I killed the batteries on Kaylee's truck last night trying to get it started because we waited too long to get it started, and it's really cold and the oil temp was too cold and blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna use my truck to jump her truck today so then she could have a truck to go to work with. Hype. Kaylee's gonna be happy. Kaylee is off to work. CEO of using her turn signal. I literally went inside for an hour and it turned into winter wonderland. Gotta love Illinois. Well, I'm bored and it's gonna be like this for a few days, so I might as well go take Cardi B out in the snow to take some pictures. I still hate the snow. I haven't gotten pictures of it with the new headlights in the snow yet, so this should be fun. Yeah, I'll drive it in the snow before all the salt trucks come, but once the salt comes, there ain't no driving this truck in the snow. Pavement princess. No, I just like to keep her nice. Comment down below where you guys live. Does it snow like this where you guys live? I live in Illinois, so I know most of you, or some of you guys live in Illinois like me, but yeah, hopefully we'll be making the move to Tennessee sometime soon because I hate the cold and I want to get out of it, and I think I'd like Tennessee a little better than here. Pulled up to, this is like a dog park, and there's a bunch of fields around it, so I think it'd be pretty nice for pictures. We'll see. God, the tent is so dark on camera. Makes it look like it's nighttime. It's only 20% on the front two windows, and then I got like 20 or 30 on the windshield. So it's not that dark. I had 5s in my last truck. Now that was dark. You couldn't see anything. How the heck is there somebody at the dog park right now? It is blizzarding. Blizzarding. There's a snowstorm. What are you doing? Go home. There she is in the snow. Man, those headlights are bright. I ain't even got the main headlights on, it's just a plasma bulb on. Woo. I need your guys' help deciding on a few things. One, the tow mirrors. I have the normal 2012 tow mirrors that came on the truck. Should I smoke the lenses and color match them, or buy 2017 style tow mirrors? Because I haven't seen a 2017 style tow mirror on this year 6.7 yet, so I think I'd be one of the first people to do that, so I think that'd be kind of cool. I'd color match those, and they'd have switchback lighting and everything, so that'd be kind of cool. Looking into replacing these wheels and getting either 28s or 30s. Comment down below if you guys would want to see that. I'm kind of interested. There's a set that I could trade these for that are powder coated, so I could either powder coat these wheels or go get those. They're powder coated to match the color of the truck, so I think that'd be kind of cool. I know everybody's mad that I didn't color match the headlights and the taillights. Personally, I don't really mind. I think they look good how they are. I'll probably color match them in the future, like this spring. I'll take them off and split them apart myself and color match them myself. But for now, I'm pretty good. I just wanted taillights and headlights for Lone Star Throwdown, so I'm pretty good with those right now. Infinite Custom's gonna be going through the whole truck and redoing the whole sound system, so shout out to them. The truck goes in on the 21st, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be pretty crazy. I'm so excited for what they have in store. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I sure had fun making it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Comment down below what you thought about it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.